Hello everyone, tie the hairs on the small sections on the top and then rotate it. Now take the hairs from the sides, tie it and then rotate it like this. Fix it from the back also, tie the hairs, fold it one by one, tie all the hairs and divide it like this. Rotate it and then fold it upward and fix it and it's ready. Next, take the hairs on the sides and then take the hairs and rotate it like this. Roll the hairs and fix it on the top by folding it. Fold it one by one and fix it like this. Tie the hairs properly as we are fixing. Roll the hairs and then fold it and fix it on the top and it's ready. Next, take the hairs on the sides, tie it, divide it from the between and then rotate it. Now fold it upward and fix it like this. Now divide the hairs and make the plaits on it as shown in the video. Now fold it upward and fix them as shown and fix it properly and it's ready. Next, make a high ponytail. Now divide the hairs. Now after dividing it, we will rotate the hairs from the between as we are rotated it. Now we will pull out the hairs from the sides as we are fixing it properly. Now join the hairs together and then fold it upward and fix it like this. Now roll the hairs on the sides and fix it properly and it's ready. Next, make a high ponytail. Put this bun pin on the downside of the hairs after folding it upward. Now again roll it down. After that, tie it from the bottom like this and then fix it like this. Fix it properly and put the bun pin on the downside or the hair clutch to fix it and it's done. Next, make a ponytail and divide the hairs. After that, rotate the hairs. Now divide the hairs into two parts. Roll it upward and fix it like this. Make the plaits, fix it properly as we are fixing it. Make the plaits like this on the downside and then fold it upward and fix it and it's ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it and divide it from the between and then rotate it. Now fold it upward and fix it like this. Now repeat the process for a few more times. Roll the hairs and fix it properly one by one. It will look like a heart shape on the top. Fix it properly and it's ready. Next, take the hairs like this and make the plaits on all the hairs at the back. Make the plaits as we are making it. Divide the hairs first into 3 equal sections and then make the plaits. After that, we will fold it upward to make a bun. Fix it properly and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.